Under the leadership of Mr. Shyam Srinivasan, over the last 5 years, Federal Bank has given the best returns to shareholders among mid-sized banks. And this comes on the back of improvement that is seen in their financial performance as well when compared with peers in the mid-cap banking space. So here's a scorecard of Federal Bank's 5 years performance. Now, Federal Bank has seen a strong business momentum over the last 5 years. Its deposit base has grown at a CAGR of 37.4% when compared to 35.2% for IndusInd Bank and 23.9% for Yes Bank. So its market share in deposits have increased from 0.88% in FY19 to 1% in FY24. A small note to the viewers, we have scored the companies based on their performance in each parameter, where 4 is the highest score and 1 is the lowest. Now moving on, the advances have grown at a CAGR of 38% when compared to 37% of IDFC Bank and Yes Bank at 18.7%. So advances market share has increased from 1.38% in FY19 to 1.5% in FY24. In terms of asset quality improvement, Federal Bank's gross NPA ratio decline has been the second best to Yes Bank amongst the peers. Gross NPA ratio of Federal Bank has reduced from 2.9% in FY19 to 2.1% in FY24. Now, healthy business growth and improvement in asset quality has enabled the bank to post the best profit growth amongst peers. IDFC Bank started its banking journey in FY19, which was a net loss year for them. Hence, they are not comparable. Under Mr. Shyam, in last 5 years, Federal Bank has grown its retail plus agri book at a massive CAGR of over 44%. The loan mix has seen changes from being a corporate lender to more of retail loans. So, retail plus agri loan has increased its share in the loan mix to 45.6% in FY24 from 39.2% that they had in FY19. Now, corporate's book share has declined from 43.2% in FY19 to 35.15% in FY24. Now, shareholders have seen handsome gains on their holdings as well. If you compare mid-sized private banks, Federal Bank has given the best return over the last 5 years. But if you do a peer comparison with all private banks, ICICI Bank has given the highest return. Federal Bank has given the second best return. A simple aggregation of the scores makes equal weight to each parameter. If you take a look, clearly places Federal Bank as the best performer over the last 5 years amongst mid-sized private banks.
Make informed decisions with comprehensive analysis on the go.
Strengthen your portfolio with real-time market updates on the go. Create effective strategies with insightful expert opinions on the go.
Grow on the go with CNBC-TV18, now streaming live 24/7 on YouTube.